Hello and welcome to my backyard. Today we are going to be doing some planting because it is officially springtime and it's getting really warm here in Georgia, so I thought, why not grow some delicious herbs and vegetables in my backyard? All right, so I want to start off by showing you the plants that I picked out for my little backyard garden. I got a couple of different herbs, including some golden lemon thyme. I love cooking with fresh thyme. I think it is so delicious. And I also got some fresh rosemary. It smells so good. So both of these will be going in the pot because they can be spaced about 6 inches apart and be totally fine. So those two are gonna go in one pot. And then I also got this lovely Roma tomato plant. So this one's gonna grow a little bit taller, so I'm only gonna put one of these into a pot, and I also got a little tomato cage to help it grow straight and tall, because once those Roma tomatoes start to produce, it's gonna get really heavy. So we gotta make sure it has some good support systems in place. And so this plant takes about 76 days to mature. So we're looking at probably late July, early August to start getting some good tomatoes. But once we do, there's always more tomatoes you know what to do with. But that said, I do love to use Roma tomatoes and everything from pasta sauces to salsas, anything like that. Super, super delicious and really good to use. The last plant I got is kind of a wild card. It is a zucchini. So I've never actually grown zucchini before, but I love to grill it in the summertime, especially throw some burgers or steaks on the grill. I'll just put some zucchinis on too. So I thought that would be fun. And these only take about 50 days or so, 2 months to reach maturity. So we'll probably get some maybe in late June. So these will start producing a little bit earlier. So I'm curious to see how well this grows. So I think this one I'm also gonna put in its own pot just to give it a little extra space to grow. The first thing we're gonna have to do is fill up our pots with some soil. All right, now that we have our 3 pots all filled about 3/4 of the way full, we're gonna go ahead and get started planting. So I kind of want to do the herbs first. They smell so good and I'm really excited about them. So we're gonna just kind of lay them out where we think they're gonna go. So I want to space them just a little staggered on either side of the pot, kind of like that. So they'll still have a little bit of room to expand and grow, but I think they'll be pretty happy here together. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is dig a little hole where it's gonna go. I'll make sure it's got enough room for its roots. So then we're gonna gently just kind of squeeze the pot like this to release the plant. And then you wanna just kind of lightly pinch the roots so they release. And that'll just give this plant a head start on growing. Use what it's already got going for it. So then, see how that fits? Okay, it looks like that hole's a little deep, so I'm gonna fill it in a little bit and get it nice and settled in. And then we're just gonna pack in that extra dirt all around it. Oh, that looks like a happy plant. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the thyme. Dig a little hole right over here. Give it a little extra room. And then we're just gonna lightly squeeze this bad boy out. Oh, this one's got a little bit more of a root bound going on. You might be able to see. So we're just gonna kind of squeeze that and help loosen those roots up. Help it drink up all that extra water and nutrients it's gonna be getting from all this extra space. And you are gonna get dirty in this process. There's really just not a better way to go about it. You know what, that's okay. All right, so that looks pretty good. Dig a little deeper here. Get that guy nestled in. Oh yeah. Press it down. It's got a little dirt all around it. And there we have it. Our first one is done, you guys. Should we do the zucchini next? I just think it's so cute. So let's see what this card says on it, because I've never done a zucchini before. Okay, so it says it's gonna grow 8 to 12 inches, so about a foot tall, and it needs full sun, 45 to 65 days maturity. So yeah, just about 2 months, and space it 3 to 6 inches. So I could probably put 2 plants in one of these, but I think we'll just go with 1 for now. We'll see how it does. I really hope I get some big fat zucchinis for the grill. Just gonna squeeze gently, plop out. So this one's not especially root bound. I'll just give a little squeeze and drop them in there. Oh yeah, it's our happy little plant. So cute. Yes, I do talk to my plants. Deal with it. They need a little love sometimes. Okay, and now last but not least is our Roma tomato. I'm so excited about this one. We always grew tomatoes on the farm growing up. And they're just so delicious because you can just cook them in anything, put them in a salad, and there's just nothing better than a homegrown fresh tomato. Makes you just never want to eat one from like the grocery store. Just a couple months from now, we're gonna have some fresh tomatoes. Okay, this is what the roots are looking like on this guy. Just gonna plop them in here. Pat him down. And then let me just go get his little tomato cage. We'll just kind of help support it when it's growing. So we're just gonna place it right around, being careful not to stab its roots. I'm gonna press it all the way down, just like that. Is that straight? No, not at all. Try to get it straight. I think it's this guy. There we go. That's a little better. So yeah, it's just at 1 rung, so probably another month it'll be here. At least that's what I hope so. But I'll definitely be making a follow-up video for you guys to follow along with their plant growth. But the last thing we need to do is water our plants. That's gonna be the best thing you can do right after you plant something. Give it a big old drink of water, and that'll give it a head start on its growth. So let me fill up my watering can and we can water them together. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in a couple months with an update on how my lovely plants are doing. In the meantime, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.